Today we're going to take a look at converting files in your Google Drive. Now this is something that's really useful to you, especially when you start using all the Google apps for education, especially with your Google Classroom. You want most of your files that you're going to be sharing out with your students in the Google Docs format so that they can quickly, easily edit and contribute to them. As far as converting any file in your Google Drive to a Google recognized format, first things first, we're going to upload the file. So you see I'm taking a Microsoft Word file. I am simply dragging it into my Google Drive, and it will appear in my drive as a Word file, Microsoft Word file. Again, if you're unsure where it went, click on Locate, you'll find it. However, this part of the lesson, you'll see it appear here. If I click on that little view preview icon, you'll see that it pops up as a Microsoft Word. You can see all of its formatting as it is, but you can't do anything to it. You can't add, you can't contribute, and this doesn't really work if you're sharing this out with students and you want them to contribute, or coworkers, whoever it may be. So what do you want to do? You want to click on this file. You're going to go to those three little dots, more actions. You're going to open with, and you're going to choose Google Docs. Now this Microsoft Word file is going to be formatted into a Google Doc, and therefore now you can go right into it and you can add anything you want to the document, and therefore if you share this out with others, they can do the same. So this works great for Word to Docs, or if you dragged a PowerPoint into here, it would convert to Google Slides, and Excel would convert to Google Sheets, and other files and other formats would also convert to one of those options. So if you're doing this to individual files, it's not too bad, it doesn't take too long. But what happens if you want to drag a whole folder worth of files? So you have all your resources currently on your computer, you've used Microsoft Word or other Microsoft Office productivity apps your entire career. What then? Well, you don't have to do each one individually. Here's the trick. Go to the little cog in the menu, Settings, click on Settings, and you're going to go here to Convert Uploads. And you're going to check this box, Converting Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format. When this is done, you'll see what happens. If I go back to my file, I'm going to drag it, I'm going to choose a different one this time, and drag it into my Google Drive. You'll notice that it shows up as a Google Doc formatted file. So I don't need to do that conversion by opening it up with Google Docs and therefore having two files in my drive. I have one file, it's already being converted, and this is fantastic when you're converting a large number of files. All right.